Thanks for joining me for this short scale study. Today we're going to build our toning technique in the key of concert D minor. So let's talk about some of the notes that we're going to need for concert D minor. We're going to start with D, and then we're going to need our E natural fingering, second valve. Then F, G, A natural, also second valve. Then we're going to need our B flat fingering, which is 0. Another note, C sharp, that's going to be our second valve. And then high D natural, 0. So let's play our harmonic minor and minor scale and arpeggio quarter notes. I've got my metronome set at 70 beats per minute, and we're going to need to remember a C sharp, which is our second finger, and then the highest note D is 0. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. If you need to pause, rewind, and repeat that exercise, please do that now. Next, we're going to move on to the second scale, which is the harmonic minor scale and arpeggio eighth notes. Remember, we need E natural, second note, it's our second finger. We'll need A natural, it's the fifth note, we'll need our second finger. And C sharp, it's the seventh note, we'll need our second finger. Here we go. 1, 2, and ready, and go. Good. I made a little error and I wanted to fix it. All right, the minor chord. 1, 2, ready, and go. Moving on to thirds. Keep in mind we need those E naturals and A naturals, second valve, second finger. This exercise has a lot of E's and A's. Here we go. Thirds. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Great, now we move on to the chromatic pivot scale. The chromatic pivot scale pivot note is A natural, second valve, second finger. Some of the other notes, well, the second note is G sharp, first valve. The fourth note is G natural, we know that's 1 and 2. And the sixth note is F sharp, that's 2 and 3. After the quarter rest, we have A natural and F natural, A natural and E natural, second finger, A natural and D sharp. D sharp, remember, is first finger E flat fingering, and then A natural, D natural. Let's do it. Chromatic pivot scale. 1, 2, A natural, and. Excellent. Now, let's do the chromatic scale. Use the fingering guide at the end of this book if you need help with the sharped notes going up the scale. Or check out a previous video where I've done the review on the notes going up. Today, I'm going to focus on the notes coming down the chromatic scale. So, after the top whole note, which by the way is a D0, we have another D, but it's a quarter note, D0. Okay? After that, we need a D flat, which is a 2. then high C, 1, and then a B natural, 1 and 2. Then we've got our B flat, 0, A natural, 2, A flat, first valve, and G, 1 and 2. The last two measures start with a G flat, 2 and 3, then a F, which is 0, an E natural, second valve, E flat, first valve, and we end with a D, 1 and 2. Let's do all of the chromatic scale. 1, 2, ready? And we're going to finish with the chorale. Remember, your E's and A's are natural. Here we go. Second valve, second finger. And 1, 2, ready, So there you go, Concert D minor. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you'll consider playing this exercise or these exercises again really soon. Remember to check out the other advanced scale studies, some of the basic scale studies, and even some of the lesson book studies. See you again soon. Keep practicing.